In the pursuit of weight loss, many people search for effective and enjoyable ways to shed unwanted fat. Biking, a popular form of exercise and transportation, has gained attention as a potential activity for fat loss. This article explores the question, does biking help with losing fat, and provides insights into how biking can contribute to your weight loss journey. How does biking contribute to fat loss? Biking is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that can aid in burning calories and promoting fat loss. When you engage in biking, your body expends energy, leading to a caloric deficit. This caloric deficit is essential for weight loss as it prompts your body to tap into its fat stores for fuel. Biking regularly can help you achieve and maintain this caloric deficit, leading to fat loss over time. Compared to other exercises, biking offers a unique combination of effectiveness and low impact. It can be a more sustainable and enjoyable alternative for individuals who may find high-impact exercises challenging or uncomfortable. Furthermore, biking can help increase your metabolism, which refers to the rate at which your body burns calories at rest. By incorporating biking into your routine, you can elevate your metabolic rate and potentially enhance fat loss even when you're not exercising. Benefits of biking for weight loss. Apart from its fat-burning potential, biking offers several additional benefits for weight loss. Firstly, it is a low-impact exercise that puts less stress on your joints compared to activities like running. This makes biking suitable for individuals with joint issues or those who are new to exercise. Secondly, biking improves cardiovascular fitness by increasing your heart rate and lung capacity. Regular biking sessions strengthen your heart and lungs, enhancing their efficiency in delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. Improved cardiovascular fitness allows you to exercise for longer durations, burn more calories, and contribute to overall weight loss. Lastly, biking engages various muscle groups, primarily targeting the lower body muscles such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. These muscles are some of the largest in your body, and as they get stronger and more toned through biking, they can help increase your basal metabolic rate, BMR. This means that even at rest, your body burns more calories, supporting your weight loss goals. Biking for fat loss, frequency, and duration. To optimize fat loss through biking, it is recommended to engage in this activity regularly. Aim for at least 3 to 5 biking sessions per week to allow your body to adapt and derive the most benefit from the exercise. Consistency is key, and establishing a routine that incorporates biking can help you achieve sustainable results. The duration of your biking sessions also plays a crucial role in fat loss. Ideally, aim for sessions lasting 30 to 60 minutes. However, if you're new to biking or have physical limitations, start with shorter durations and gradually increase them over time. Remember, any biking is better than none, so even shorter sessions can contribute to your overall weight loss progress. While biking alone can be effective for fat loss, combining it with other exercises can help you diversify your routine and target different muscle groups. Consider incorporating strength training, such as bodyweight exercises or weightlifting, to build lean muscle mass, which can further enhance your metabolism and fat-burning potential. Factors influencing fat loss through biking. Several factors influence the efficacy of fat loss through biking. The intensity of your biking sessions plays a significant role. Higher intensity biking, such as cycling uphill or incorporating interval training, can burn more calories and stimulate greater fat loss compared to leisurely rides. By challenging yourself and pushing your limits, you can maximize the benefits of biking for fat loss. Additionally, the terrain and resistance encountered during biking affect the intensity and effort required. Riding on hilly routes or incorporating resistance settings on a stationary bike can increase the workload on your muscles, leading to more calorie expenditure and fat burning. Varying your biking routes and adding elements of challenge can keep your routine engaging and promote continual progress. Tips for effective fat loss through biking. To make your biking routine more effective for fat loss, consider the following tips. Set realistic goals, establish achievable and measurable goals to track your progress and stay motivated throughout your weight loss journey. Whether it's increasing your distance or improving your speed, setting targets can keep you focused and determined. Gradually increase intensity and distance. Start with a comfortable intensity and distance and gradually increase them over time. Your body needs time to adapt to new challenges, and progressing too quickly can lead to burnout or injuries. Listen to your body and make incremental adjustments. Proper nutrition and hydration. Fueling your body with balanced meals and staying hydrated are essential for optimal performance during biking sessions. Consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to support your weight loss efforts and provide the necessary nutrients for muscle recovery and repair. Safety considerations when biking for fat loss. When engaging in biking for fat loss, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Wearing appropriate safety gear, such as a helmet, can protect you from potential head injuries in case of accidents. Additionally, choose biking routes that prioritize cyclist safety, such as designated bike lanes or paths. Familiarize yourself with traffic rules and be cautious of your surroundings to ensure a safe and enjoyable biking experience. Monitoring progress and staying motivated. Tracking your biking progress can help you stay motivated and monitor your weight loss journey. Utilize fitness apps or wearable devices that record your distance, speed, and calories burned during each session. By visualizing your progress, you can celebrate achievements and make informed adjustments to your routine as needed. Joining biking communities or clubs can provide additional support and motivation. Connecting with like-minded individuals who share similar goals can foster a sense of camaraderie and inspire you to continue pushing yourself. Furthermore, consider rewarding yourself when you achieve milestones along the way, such as completing a challenging biking route or reaching a certain weight loss target. These rewards can keep you motivated and make the process more enjoyable. Biking can be an effective and enjoyable activity for losing fat and achieving your weight loss goals. Through regular biking sessions, you can burn calories, increase your metabolism, improve cardiovascular fitness, and strengthen and tone your muscles. By considering factors such as intensity, duration, and combining biking with other exercises, you can optimize fat loss and create a sustainable biking routine. Remember to prioritize safety, monitor your progress, and stay motivated throughout your weight loss journey. So grab your bike, hit the road or trails, and start pedaling your way towards a healthier, fitter you.